Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Sandhya Khedekar. Today we will learn PPT voiceover. If you are not willing to record your lecture, online lecture with help of any video recorder, or if you do not have any gadgets for that and you have a simple PowerPoint presentation. So with help of that PowerPoint presentation, in PowerPoint itself, you can record your audio and you can create a video of it and you can use it for your online teaching learning purpose. So
now we will see how to do PPT voiceover. If you have created any PowerPoint presentation and you want to convert that PowerPoint presentation in MP4 video, it is very much possible in an easy way. You just have to open your PPT and just go on that PowerPoint presentation. I have already created one. I'll share with you that. So this is the PPT I have created on artificial intelligence. I'll show you the demo first and then I will let you know how to go about it. Dear friends, today we will discuss about artificial intelligence and how artificial intelligence is playing important role in our daily life also and in the future of education also. What exactly it is? It is the study of computer systems that attempt to model and apply the intelligence of the human mind. Let me give you one example. Nowadays in our home also we are using Alexa device, and what Alexa does is Alexa identifies the human voice and it replies. That means artificial intelligence is used in the Alexa to identify human voice. Likewise, in robotics also artificial intelligence is involved. So it is a beautiful technology where we can incorporate all these things in education 4.0, a branch of computer science dealing with the simulation of intelligent behavior in computers and the capability of a machine to imitate intelligent. Slide, you must have heard about all these words, because it is the fourth revolution which is characterized by the. So what you have to do is, when you open the PowerPoint presentation, here in the slideshow itself, go on the slideshow and there is one option, record slideshow, and it will ask you to start from the beginning. So if you are using Windows 10, so this option is visible in slideshow. If you are using any other version of PowerPoint presentation, so you have to insert your voice, insert audio option is here. And if it is not visible, you can add in, go in add-ins and insert a voice. So if you want to put some video in between the PowerPoint presentation, you can insert that video from here. You can insert your audio from here. And if I want to record my PowerPoint presentation, just like I showed you just now, just go in the slideshow and click on record slideshow button. When I record, it will ask me start from beginning or start from current slide. So I can record from the beginning also, I can record from in between also. And this wonderful facility is available in PowerPoint show. And once you click on record, whatever you are speaking for every slide, it will get recorded and it will show this kind of icon down. You can see an icon of a speaker. So it means that these slides are recorded slides. Some voice is already recorded behind these slides. So once you have done with recording, you just have to stop recording and save this file as file, save as. Here you can see I'm just saving it in this folder, and don't save as PowerPoint presentation. Otherwise what will happen, the audio will not be audible. Means once you have recorded the audio in your PowerPoint presentation, and if you save it as a PowerPoint presentation, audio will not be audible. So what you have to do is save it as a PowerPoint show or save it as a MPEG-4 video. I always prefer to save it as a MPEG-4 video. So it automatically gets saved in video form. You can upload it on your YouTube. You can upload it in your Google Classroom. You can send it to students. It's very much useful. And if you are using Windows 7, So save it as a PowerPoint show. Here is one option called PowerPoint show and click on save. So this is a wonderful feature of PowerPoint where you can use a PPT voiceover. You can use it for your all kinds of lectures.